Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Anna Nikhom. I'm super new here on YouTube, so if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe and like and comment below. So one of the reasons why I kind of wanted to start a YouTube channel is because I pay for and get the BOXYCHARM monthly boxes. So for those of you who don't know, it's $20 a box. I usually buy it in 3-month increments for about $60. And so much cat here. I started in October of 2017 and it's now January 2019 and I've gotten 16 boxes so far. You know, considering that each box is of retail value of over $100, that's about $1,600 worth of products that I've gotten for just over $100. So I actually think it's a really good deal. It's great if you're just getting started because you get a nice wide range of products from makeup brushes to eyeshadow palettes, some skincare, all kinds of things like masks and blushes, mascaras. I kind of extended my BOXYCHARM through the holidays because I knew that I wanted to be able to give away things to my friends as gifts. And then it auto renews, so I forgot to stop that. So now I get another 3 months of BOXYCHARM and I'm so excited about that because today I'm gonna talk about my January BOXYCHARM. I also watch a lot of Kathleen Light's reviews of BOXYCHARM. I don't really watch anybody else's, but it sort of makes me feel connected to her in not a creepy way, hopefully, but it's like, oh my god, she's using these products too. And you know, sometimes when I watch her reviews of them, when I first pick up the product, I'm like, ugh. Like, what am I going to use this for? It doesn't look good on me at all. But then sometimes I'll watch her review the products and she does a try on for all of them. And then I'm like, huh, I've rediscovered this. It's reborn to me. Let me go and figure it out. And then I actually start to like the products. I would like to do the January unboxing, but I'm also going to do a favorites of all of my boxes to date. So about 15 boxes that I'm gonna share with you. And depending on how long this video is, I might do a whole separate video and break it up for you so that you don't see this video and it's like 30 minutes long and click away immediately. All right, let's get right into the January 2019 BOXYCHARM unboxing. I was so excited about the products that came in this month's box. So I just died at every single one that came. Here it is. This is the BOXYCHARM. It's just this adorable thing. It fits in my mailbox. As someone who lives in New York, oftentimes you worry about packages, but you don't have to worry about anybody taking this from you as long as it goes in your mailbox. And so that's really exciting. All right, so they all come with a little card. This one says Boxy and Chill, a description, and the prices. Obviously, you can't read that. So I get 5 items, as I said before, in each box. And so this time I get so excited. The first item that is in here is the BOXYCHARM Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And it's about 2 ounces. So usually you get full size products in here. So this is the travel size. So that's an exception. But I'm really excited about it because I have, the camera's not close enough for me to show you, so sorry. But I'm really excited about it because I've heard a lot about BOXYCHARM from Kathleen Light's. I'm going to talk about her a lot. And so she just loves this brand, and so I'm really happy to be able to try out something from their line. I think it's a little bit pricey. This one is actually retails for $12. That's not bad for a travel size. Like, I would pay $12 full price for this. Okay, so the next thing that connects me to Kathleen Light's even more is her collab with Ofra. So this is the long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Miami Fever. So she lives in Miami, she's Cuban, and she did this shade with them, and so I'm really excited to try that out. That retails for $20. So that's a little pricey. I'm really going to enjoy it while I have it, but I don't know if I would repurchase it for that price. All right, next, the third exciting piece in this box. It is a chart. Ooh, you can't see. Okay, so, all right, it's in a really nice box. I might decide to give it away because look at all these freaking palettes that I have from BOXYCHARM. And this isn't even all of them that I got. I gave away at least 2 or 3. So I don't know if I can keep another palette. Like, I've been watching a lot of Marie Kondo lately and I kind of want to purge stuff. So we'll see. But it's so pretty, and I always like get really jealous when I give my palettes away and then I see them again. And I'm like, damn, I really want that. But I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so, and this is $36. Ooh, it's so pretty. You know, oh, I think, I'm wondering if it's the palette that I got already. In which case, I just gave that to my sister. So, I don't know. I don't fucking test it and like swatch it if I'm just gonna give it as a gift to someone. That'd be a little tacky. So I might just give that away. It's beautiful. Look at this like packaging. It's got a nice mirror. Check all that out. And it's in a beautiful box. But yeah, you know, I'm gonna pass on that because I do remember having that palette and giving it away. Okay, so the fourth thing that's in the box is for your brows. Okay, so it's just, it's by the brand BDB, or Billion Dollar Brows. Never heard of it. You get a lot of these random brands that you've never heard of. Well, okay, so this is a universal brow pencil, and so I'm wondering if it's gonna be like that It Cosmetics brow pencil that I got, and I don't have it anymore because I used it up, but I loved that brow pencil. So I'm excited to try this. I just opened an Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil, so I'm not gonna try this yet, but you know, we'll see. The brow pencil is $18. Okay, and then the final product that I have is these Tatcha face masks. Tatcha face masks. I'm so excited about you. And I'm gonna put you on and use my gua sha tool. It's gonna be amazing. This is $24. Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. It's for normal to dry skin. You know, I have combination skin, but it's winter, so my skin's pretty dry. I'm sure it'll be fine. I don't usually break out from face masks, so we'll see. Beautiful. So excited about that. All right, that does it. It comes in this nice little box with a lot of packaging, and the hoarder in me actually keeps a lot of these boxes because they're nice for gifts, and like this is nice for packing if you're sending anything. So, you know, but again, trying to Marie Kondo, KonMari stuff. So we'll see. I can't keep 16 of these boxes. Oh, but I've definitely used them to wrap up gifts, so I don't have a closet full of BOXYCHARM boxes. That does it for the January 2018 BOXYCHARM unboxing. I'm gonna do another video of my favorites from October 2017 to 2018. So basically the life of my BOXYCHARM experience. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks guys, bye.
Kitty, 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 get out of the way.